Maganda umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Cancer. Cancer ha? Lala Baby from Belgium nagpapakilala. Isa lang pong like, subscribes, and share para po mag-grow ang channel ng Lola. So I will give you a reading. Kaya may kinalaman ito sa money and finances. For the first week of February, may pera bang papasok? May pera ba papasok or lalabas? Okay? Let's see the money energy check tarot knows para sa mga Cancer. So, narito ang tinatawag na the lovers. Okay? Yan. Sino ang the lovers na ito? The Gemini. It's all about communication. Tatakpan lang natin nakahubad. Okay? So, that's the energy. Mukhang maganda. Mukhang maganda. It's like tinatawag, meron bang transparent, di ba? Transparent your communication and others, di ba? Meron bang good transparency? Titingnan natin, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, hard work pays off. Let's us make it very, very simple, the reading. Okay? Huwag na nating lagyan ng mga berloloy. Direct to the point. Okay? Hard work pays off. Mag-uwi ka. Ibig sabihin nito, malaking ganansya, malaking kita ang papasok. Okay? So, it's about yung tinatawag, your next move, your next plan, di ba? Yan. Your next strategy, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito for you, mga Cancer, it's about tapping in your intuition, di ba? Yan. Okay? It's like tinatawag, what's the future holds for me, di ba? Yan. Ano ang nasa unahan ko? Meron bang perang lalabas or perang papasok? Let's see the energy, okay, the money energy. Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, what you are doing to others, okay? Kung ano ang ginagawa mo sa kanila, are, di ba? Yan, oh. Ibig sabihin nito. Let's say, sabihin na laang natin, di ba? Mapagtulong ka sa kapwa. Dahil narito ang the Gemini, the lovers. Di ba? It's like tinatawag, tumutulong ka sa kanila, may ganansya. Either you will receive a rewards in the form of gifts, in the form of flowers, or in the form of money. Di ba? It's about your hard work, di ba? It's very, very transparent, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, walang halong duda, walang halong pagnanasa, di ba? Yan, oh. So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na meron ditong tao, di ba? It's like tinatawag, they don't have what you have, di ba? You have this quality, you have this attitude, you have this character, you have this, kung ano man ito meron, di ba? Ito yung tinatawag na sana. It's more on maraming na maaring na-inspired sila sa mga ginagawa mo, di ba? Maaring they want to copy you. Yan ha? Yan. So, kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na whatever your wishes, be very, very careful, Cancer, about your wishes. Di ba? Yan. Ito yung tinatawag pwedeng maganda ang maging tinatawag na pasok sa iyo or masama. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na moderate ka lang. Okay? Sa about your wishes. Di ba? It's about your wishes ang nakikita ko sa inyo. Okay? Mangyayari ito in the right time. Di ba? You just trust your intuition. Di ba? Yan. Oh, you see? You're the magician. Di ba? You're the alchemist. Di ba? Whatever you touch turns into gold. Di ba? If you wish a good job, it will happen. If you wish to have money, it will happen. Di ba? Okay? Kasi nakikita naman dito, okay? Hindi ka palalong tao. Di ba? Manapay ikay mapagbigay. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag the speed. The speed, yan. Okay? The speed of your blessings coming, arriving, papasok. Mangyayari, magmamaterialize. Whatever is this. Yan. It's more on tinatawag, kaperahan tayo. Okay? Money. Okay? Yan, no? Maaaring sabihin na natin sa Will and Testament, maaaring mamamana, di ba? Properties, conjugal properties, di ba? Maaaring sabihin na natin may mga kaso sa korte. Yan, no? Kita mo? Speed of light. Magandang balitang darating. Ibig sabihin nito, malaking blessings, luck, okay? Provision. Kumbaga dito, di ba? Because you're always praying, di ba? So be very, very careful. Once it arrives, okay? Moderate lang about your wishes, okay? About your wishes. Yan, ha? Okay. So ikaw ito, you are capable. You have this power, capable of making especially money, okay, come true. You know, you are capable of attracting money. You are capable of making money. You are capable of making your dreams, wishes, praying to God comes true. Okay? And ano nakikita dito? Napakalaki nitong darating na ito sapagkat hindi mo ito susuluhin. Sa halip, magbibigay ka, mag-share ka, maybe to your loved ones, di ba? Kaya dito, you are the alchemist, you are loved by people, and you will be remembered by them, and they will love you.